You will be amazed by this 2018 Audi Q3. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy a view of this handsome Audi Q3, the subcompact luxury crossover that offers a premium tech-savvy interior, standard all-wheel drive, and a high-spirited, agile ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: all-wheel drive, sun, moonroof, wood grain interior trim, backup camera, intermittent wipers, floor mats, tire pressure monitoring system, leather seats, wheel locks, four-wheel ABS. Indulge in the pleasure of luxury and style in this striking Q3. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.